friends, welcome to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today in this video I'm going to show you a paper decoration ideas for your party. It's very easy, simple and unique. So for that we need this craft paper. These are printed sellotapes. You can buy easily from the market. Scissor, glue, pencil, and these are also stickers which are easily available in the market. So we can use any of them or you can create your own one. So let's get started. We'll take a sheet and see, this is the palm of my son. I have already cut it. So I see this is the folded part and I have folded one more. And I'll keep this palm here. I want this side joint and just trace the palm. See, I'll trace it. Now we'll cut this. See, I have cutted this. Make sure you don't cut this two parts. One in thumb and one is the index finger. That we need a joint so that we get a heart shape. And this heart we will use in this craft also. So now let's joint it. See, I have cutted this orange also. Orange and yellow I'm going to use this in this garland. Now I'll take these two hearts. I'll just stick between. Just let it dry and then another one. It dry, and then with the pencil just curve it. Make all the hearts. See, I have joined these two hearts and now we'll join these palms. We'll glue here and here. We'll take yellow on orange and orange on yellow. Just stick it. Orange hand. Take this one. Just apply glue. Likewise, make the whole chain. Now I have made the whole chain. Now we'll decorate it. You can write happy birthday on this or you can write congratulations. We can use both sides of the chain. I'll show you afterwards. I have this printed tape, so I'll write alphabets happy birthday on this. You can write with glitter pens also, or you can stick the stars or anything whatever you like. you can write the name of whose birthday it is. So I'll complete this. See friends, I have completed this chain. I have written happy birthday on it. Now we'll take a satin ribbon and stick on both the sides with double side tape or with the cello tape. I'm using here double side tape. Please do it for both the sides. Do it for both the sides. See, I have completed my garland. I have written happy birthday. You can use the other side of the garland also. You can write congratulations or the right of a person, which is I have written happy 10th birthday. So I hope you like my video. Please do like and share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for my other videos, upcoming videos notification. So thank you, and Arty and Crafty.